Unraveling the phrase, side by side, always. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the heartwarming phrase, side by side, always. It's a phrase that encapsulates loyalty, companionship, and the enduring presence of someone or something in one's life. Understanding these expressions not only enhances our language skills but also our ability to connect with others on a deeper level. Let's explore together. The phrase, side by side, always, combines two key elements. Side by side implies being next to each other, in physical proximity or in a metaphorical sense, indicating close association or partnership. Adding, always, emphasizes time, suggesting this closeness is not temporary but rather permanent or long-lasting. It's often used to express a bond that endures through various challenges and experiences. This phrase can be applied in various contexts, from personal relationships to professional partnerships. For example, friends or lovers might use it to promise lifelong support to each other. In a team or organizational setting, it might signify commitment to shared goals and mutual support among members. Let's look at a couple of examples. No matter what happens, we'll be side by side, always, fighting for our dreams. Through thick and thin, our community stands side by side, always, striving for a better future. These examples showcase the phrase's versatility and emotional depth. Side by side, always, goes beyond mere words. It carries a profound emotional and cultural significance. It speaks to the human desire for connection, loyalty, and unwavering support. This phrase can be especially powerful in storytelling, whether in literature, movies, or personal anecdotes, as it resonates with universal themes of friendship, love, and solidarity. We hope this exploration of side by side, always, has illuminated its meaning and significance for you. This phrase is a beautiful reminder of the strength found in togetherness and the enduring nature of true companionship. Whether you're learning English or looking to deepen your understanding of emotional expressions, remember, language is a bridge to human connection. Keep learning, and may your journey through language bring you closer to others, side by side, always.